And the way we've been talking about manifestation in here now for months, maybe really the last year plus, I don't like to really term what we talk about in here as how to manifest, because ultimately what it comes down to is the most important thing is that we have this steady, solid, unwavering foundation of self-authority, of self-trust, the way we think about ourselves, the way we view ourselves, the way we view ourselves and think of ourselves in relation to any topic, any circumstance, any situation, all the different areas of life and how everything works for us or against us. Okay. How we perceive ourselves and the identity we perceive ourselves in relation to the external world, what we feel like we have or don't have, and what our mental focus is, what our ongoing, all day mental dialogue, inner dialogue is. And then again, how we perceive anything going on externally, and that then unwavering foundation of, you know, I understand my power. We're building our power, building our power, building our power. I understand my power so much that no matter what I see externally, I'm unmoved by that. I know it really has nothing to do with me. I trust that what I say goes. I have the power of the Vox City, which is the power of the spoken word, which is my word is my command, my word is law. And then I understand also um, the internal, the mental, the thoughts, the minds is the cause, and then the external reality is the effect. So we've been talking about manifestation constantly in Master of the Space for the last year plus. I just don't talk about it as this is how to manifest. Okay. This is so that when we do say something, when we do intend something, when we do consciously want to bring something that we desire into the 3D reality, then we've already worked out the other stuff. We've already worked out that other stuff. We already understand how the whole thing works. And so it's not such a big deal anymore. And it's not, and we're just living life and we feel good and joyful and fulfilled no matter what. Okay. So